Hello, everyone. I'm going to talk about my last vacation. A few years ago, I had the opportunity to visit Puerto Cortes. I traveled with my family and we stayed at an uncle in Choloma. The experience was incredible from the start. It's a wonderful place, and for me it was even more so since it was my first time seeing the sea. I spent time observing everything about it, its beach, the port, and in the distance I could see a boat that was possibly coming towards it or already leaving. I didn't know. I also read about in the sea and learned that the water is actually very salty. It's very strange that it's excessively salty. Although I didn't quench in it, I had a lot of fun. The bus ride was a bit long, but the view was absolutely a world. A night the city was transformed, the plazas filling with music and people dancing, and the atmosphere was magical. Overall, it was a fantastic trip. It was lovely to disconnect from my daily routine and spend quality time with my family. I took tons of photos, and every time I look at them, I am reminded of the incredible moments we had three. I highly recommend visiting Puerto Cortes if you ever have the chance. It's a place I will never forget.